Hi Aries, welcome back. This is Psychic Sun Tarot. This reading is going to be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter signs. This reading is going to be for both of you, Aries who are in relationship and Aries who are single. So let's see what are the current energies for you, Aries. Keep in mind guys, this is a general reading, Aries. So it will resonate to most of you but not all of you. We'll see your person's energy and your energy, your person's energy and the outcome. This is your weekly reading, Aries. So let's see what do we have for Aries. If you're a cross watcher guys, please reverse the energy. Okay, I think these cards, Aries, Six of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Five of Wands, the Death and Ten of Cups. Aries, some of you will feel that you feel as if your person is not paying attention to you, Aries. I do see differences of opinion between both of you. Okay, I do see that you really like this person a lot. You want things to go forward, but I do see conflict, arguments, drama. You guys are going through some serious issues. Eight of Pentacles with the Queen of Swords. Some of you are trying to distract yourself. You're trying to focus on work. You are seeking some clarity. Yeah. Some of you are married to this person and some of you're thinking as if things have just ended between both of you or you are nearing an end. But I don't see end as of now, Aries. I still see there. Yeah, look at this. Five of Swords. Somebody hurts you, Aries. I think this person that you're dealing with, they really hurt you or they tell you things which are very hurtful. Yeah, this person tells you some things which are very hurtful. You're seeking clarity. Maybe this person is involved with somebody else, Aries. Could be that some of you, maybe there are two options. Maybe this person that you're dealing with, they are involved with somebody else. Oh my God, look at this. Bottom of the deck, Eight of Swords. This is your energy. You feel trapped in this relationship, Aries. Okay. Let's see what are the current feelings towards you, Aries. Okay. We have the Two of Cups, the Sun, and Six of Swords, and Knight of Swords, Nine of Cups. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. With the Nine of Swords. Aries, this person loves you. This person is thinking about you, Aries. This person is thinking about you a lot. I think this person, okay, some of you, I think you are involved with a person who is already married or maybe they are in some other relationship, some other commitment and you are waiting for them. I think this person is going to come back to you, Aries. Yeah. I do see them coming back to you. Some of you are waiting for a commitment from this person. This person may be taking a lot of time to give you the commitment, or even if they are with you, things are not moving forward and you are seeking clarity in this relationship, Aries. I do see this person coming back to you, Aries. I do see things getting better between both of you. This person is also not happy without you, Aries. They are also not happy. This person is having sleepless nights over you. They are not happy. Some of you, maybe you have two options, Aries. I think some of you have recently met somebody. This person really likes you and there's somebody you may have, this is for some of you, I think there's somebody you may have recently met, Aries. Yeah, we have the sun here with the two of cups, so definitely there's somebody new who may have entered. Now this is not for all of you, some of you I feel there's somebody who may have recently come in your life. So you may be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Saggy, Scorpio. Yeah, these sun signs are prominent here. So let's see. Aries, I think you guys are going to come back together. I don't think I need an outcome here. I have got it all over here. This person wants to talk to you. They are coming to you. They want to communicate. Aries, they are also not happy without you. They're thinking over this, Aries. They are really thinking. Some of them are confused. Maybe this person has options and they are juggling you with somebody else. This could also be the case. But this person, I think they are going to talk, but they are going to take some time. This person may come back to you, Aries. So I certainly see a reconciliation here in this. Now let's see what message do we have for singles. Okay. Alright, all these cards have come out. Singles, you may be dealing with a Leo, a Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. There's someone you really like. Maybe this is just mutual attraction, or you could be the third person in their life. Maybe you like somebody who's already committed in a relationship, or this person could be married. For the others of you, you are wishing for your ex to come back. You are literally praying. Okay. 2 more cards for singles. Alright, I told you, oh my god, we have the 6 of cups and 7 of cups followed by 2 of wands. Singles, I think somebody is going to come back in your life. You are praying for your ex to come back and this person is going to come back. Now this is for some of you, not for all of you. Now for some of you I feel that your ex is going to approach you, okay? Either you will go back to your ex or they are going to come back to you, something like this. And this could be a long lost friend also, not necessarily an ex, but a long lost friend. Someone from your past is going to come back to you, singles. For the others of you, I think, yeah, because that is what you are wishing for, I feel. You think about somebody you may have recently broken up with and you're wishing for reconciliation, and I think that's going to happen. For the others of you, I see a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Saggy, Libra, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces coming back to you. Okay. But I think you guys have to wait for some more time. I don't see it happening anytime soon. This may take few months, okay, maybe 4-5 months. I do see around 4 to 5 months. So you guys may have to wait for 4-5 months or so to meet this new person. Somebody is coming towards you for sure. Yeah. So let me see what messages do we have for my Aries. Okay, the first card. Pay attention to the red flags. Aries, be careful. Now, somebody is hiding something from you, Aries. Now, this is not going to be for all of you. Maybe your person is trying to hide. This person is going to come back to you for sure, but they are hiding something. So, be careful, Aries. Alright, I've got so many cards, but I'm going to pick up separation and reconciliation. Oh my god, so many cards together, getting to know each other. So I'll pick up 4 of them. Aries, some of you, I think you're going through this place of separation, which I told you already. You're waiting for this person. I told you they are coming back. So you are going through this process maybe. For the others of you, even if you're going through the separation, I told you they are coming back, and that is why we have reconciliation. Okay. It's like, but be careful. Maybe this person that you're dealing with, they have this player energy, so be careful. Now this is not going to be for all of you, but yeah, this is for those of you who are in relationship. And for the others of you, especially if you're single, I think some of you, I feel that you have somebody in your life and this is too new. This is for singles, okay? You're getting to know each other, talking to each other. This is so new. Maybe you're just friends and you don't even know these things will grow in the near future, okay? That kind of energy. So let's see, what message do we have for my Aries? Okay, I think these two, Sun and the Child. Wow, some of you, I think you may get pregnant or you are pregnant. For the others of you, I feel that things are going to get better. Especially if you are not well, you are going to get better. Some of you, you are recovering. I do see recovery as far as your health is concerned. For the others of you, you know, maybe you will get pregnant, you are pregnant, something like this. So that is it, Aries. This was your reading. I really hope this helps and resonates. And if this does, do like and subscribe, okay? So you guys take care. Bye.